This is the highest selling laptop backpack on Amazon. It has over 60,000 ratings, 85% of which are 5 stars. So of course I wanted to see for myself what the hype was all about on a backpack that only costs $30. The Matein laptop backpack comes in 2 sizes. The one I have here is the smaller one, designed for 15.5-inch laptops. It also comes in a larger size for 17-inch laptops. The dimensions are about 18 by 12 wide by 8 or 9 tall, or 46, 30, 20 centimeters. So this is gonna work as a personal item on most airlines. This bag comes in a variety of colors: gray, blue, camo, red, brown. The price ranges from around $30 to $41, depending on the color you choose. The gray version I have here was $29.99 when I filmed this. I don't expect an inexpensive Amazon backpack to compare in quality to some of the higher end packs that I often review on this channel. However, we do need to see if this bag is made well enough that it can work as a good budget option for a personal item pack. Like almost all budget packs, Matein uses this mid-weight polyester fabric. You'll see this often in other brands like Eagle Creek, Cabin Zero, Deuter, and Gregory. Higher end packs like these usually use a stronger Cordura or ballistic nylon. You'll find this in more expensive bags like Redox here, Evergoods, Manal, and GoRuck. And while I don't think it's fair to compare this bag to one that costs over 8 times as much, I think it is helpful to have a side-by-side comparison so we can see what the difference is in quality between this bag and something more high-end like the Evergoods CPL. One of the first things that stands out to me is the stitching. This Evergoods pack here has a very tight stitching pattern, while the Matein pack is much wider. The zippers are also quite different. High-end, large YKK nylon coil zippers on the CPL over here, with a lower quality, yet still perfectly functional off-brand zipper on the Matein. The interiors are also quite different. Very high-end materials and construction on the Evergoods, decent construction, and less expensive polyester fabrics on the Matein. All that being said, this backpack isn't poorly made. Obviously, they're gonna use lower quality materials and hardware, but I don't see anything on this pack that makes me think it's gonna fall apart with normal use. I wouldn't expect that this bag is gonna last your lifetime, but it could be a good option for a decent personal item pack for somebody on a budget. Now let's look at the features on this pack. The main storage is 3 compartments. There's 2 small pockets on the front, 1 pocket on the back, a luggage pass-through sleeve, and 2 side water bottle pockets. This front side pocket here is very thin, takes up the whole volume on this front panel though. It's hidden behind this little flap, which is good because you can't see it, but also you need to be careful because sometimes it's hard to see if the zipper is open or closed. This front pocket is much smaller, goes down to the bottom of the pack, and it's expandable, so you can actually fit quite a bit in here. There's a little back pocket here behind the back padding. It's supposed to be an anti-theft pocket. It's kind of hidden, but the zipper is pretty obvious if you're looking for it, but it is a good place to store flat items. These 2 side water bottle pockets are nice. This is stretchy mesh. It can hold quite a large bottle very easily. My only complaint is I wish they were a little bit taller. Sometimes these slimmer bottles feel like they want to fall out. The backpack carries about what I would expect for a budget backpack like this. The shoulder straps are decently wide, they have good padding, and a mesh backing. These bottom straps are the only adjustments that you have here. It doesn't come with a sternum strap or a hip belt. This back padding is also pretty basic. Again, functional, but nothing to write home about. 3 pads, soft, squishy, mesh-covered foam. And then because this pack is designed as a personal item bag, it has a luggage pass-through sleeve here so you can put it over the handle on a rolling luggage. The interior organization on this pack consists of these 3 large compartments that all have some level of further interior organization. The main part of this front compartment here is large enough to hold a standard 8.5 by 11 school notebook, some further dividers on the top, a little pouch for a phone or a battery, pen pencil case, a small divider back here, and a mesh zippered pocket. This main pocket is the bulk of the volume. You can see on the side, the seam, it goes from here to here. On the inside is a sleeve here on the front, which is large enough. You can barely squeeze a notebook into there. This side has 2 mesh divider pockets. This side has a cord going to a USB-A port. It's intended to attach your battery pack. And then when that thing's in here, you can charge your phone using this outside port. And this rear pocket back here is for the laptop. Again, I have the 15.5-inch one. Also comes a larger one to accommodate a 17-inch laptop. There's a small sleeve on the back here for a tablet, and then this larger sleeve is for the laptop. It's padded on all 4 sides. Padding is a little bit thin. This is the same thickness as the padding on the back. These seams here are going to keep your laptop a little bit away from the sides of the pack, and the bungee is going to keep it away from the top of the pack. There is, however, no false bottom on this bag. Goes all the way down to the bottom, so you need to be careful when you're setting this pack down. Now I want to do a quick packing demo. This bag looks pretty thin when it's not full, but remember, it is a 28-liter pack, so it can actually hold quite a bit of stuff. And if you pack small enough, you could even get away with this thing as being your only bag. I have enough clothes for about 3 or 4 days, more if you wash them. This big cube over here, 4 t-shirts, 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 button-up shirts, 3 socks, 3 underwear in the smaller cube. And then just to keep it simple, minimalist electronics, sunglasses, I have a little windbreaker here, water bottle, travel towel, and toiletry kit. This clean dirty cube doesn't pack down as small as the compression cube, but it holds way more, and you can transfer your clothes from the front to the back as they get dirty. This thing is going to easily fit in the main compartment, takes up the width pretty well, and there's enough room on the top for my toiletry kit and a travel towel. Plenty of room in these front pockets, this front organizational pouch for all my small electronics. Chargers, I'm gonna put the sock and underwear pouch in here, sunglasses, and my headphones. Having 2 water bottle pockets is great. You can use it for an actual water bottle, or over here, overflow for stuff you don't mind getting wet, like a windbreaker. And then e-reader in the sleeve, 15-inch Dell in the laptop compartment. And you can see this thing just ate all that gear, not even a problem, fully packed out here, about 6.8 kilograms or around 15 pounds. And with a setup like this, if you're going somewhere a little colder, you could maybe try to squeeze a jacket into this thing or just wear it. This is what the bag looks like on me fully packed. Pretty standard school backpack style here, decently wide backpack straps, and a decently comfortable carry. In summary, the Matein laptop travel backpack is a pretty standard school style backpack that's probably not going to win any design contests. It has a ton of organization and a large capacity, making this a good choice as a school backpack or as an under the seat personal item bag. The biggest con for me are these kind of small water bottle pockets. I've never actually had it come out, but it does feel like the water bottle wants to slip out of there. And then just the general quality of the materials and hardware. This isn't a pack that I expect is going to last your entire lifetime. But from the trips that I've taken with this pack so far and the 60,000 ratings on Amazon, 85% of which are 5-star, I think this is a good pack for the price and could be a great option for somebody on a budget. That's all I have for the Matein travel laptop backpack. I have another bag by them. This is a 40-liter carry-on suitcase style backpack, which I'll be testing out over the next couple weeks. So stick around for that. And again, thanks for watching.